In May, Rakuten, one of Japan's biggest internet companies, launched its Malaysia business, its first overseas, on the strength of Kenanga, its local partner, and Malaysia's demographics. I speak to Koru Arai, Rakuten Malaysia's managing director, to get a handle on their plans. Koru-san, thank you for joining us.
My pleasure.
It's been 4 months since you launched in Malaysia.
Correct.
First pure play online stockbroker in Malaysia.
Correct.
For Rakuten outside of Japan.
Correct.
How is business?
Our business is purely online business, which means that from account opening and also money remittance and order placing and execution and check the balance, all straight through process is our business. The client doesn't have to go to such a branch office, and then just go to our website or smartphone site. Then you can open the account. Very easy. So then, at earliest 2 hours, you can open the account.
But you must have held all the documentation must be there.
Yeah, of course. But it will be a kind of online, just upload the documentation, just it.
Okay.
So
okay.
then we don't have any kind of physical paperwork.
Yeah.
So that's why we are very kind of a internet-centric business.
Absolutely. But Malaysia is the only country outside of Japan that you have expanded online stockbroking. Why? Why not Singapore? Why not Thailand? Why not Indonesia? Why not Australia?
Of course. Actually, I'm doing such kind of feasibility study within ASEAN country, and then stock business is the most important thing is kind of local knowledge. So, but we know such kind of web marketing and also kind of such kind of promotion, but we need a kind of local partner, more focus on kind of what is a local retail broker's preference, behavior, and also kind of cross relationships regulatory. The Malaysia, we find out our local partner, Kenanga. So then we set up this business.
So 4 months into launch, how many subscribers do you have now?
So far, account opening number basis, roughly 3,000 client base we have right now. So this number is better than expected. Right
Okay.
now.
So when I look at Rakuten Japan, which is your core home market, 130 million population, you've got about 2.2 million subscribers on Rakuten's platform.
Correct.
That's about 1.2% of the. So if we take Malaysia, right? Malaysia 30 million population, 1.2%. That's roughly what, 300,000 subscribers, right? When are you going to get there?
Actually, our business is, how do I say, put client first. We are our client-centric business. So then client, if some kind of comfortable our service, maybe this kind of number is growing up and up, I think.
Yeah. So do you think that you can get to the similar penetration levels as you do in Japan?
Oh, of course.
Because in Japan you got 1.2%.
Yes.
Malaysia at 1.2% is 100 times what you have.
Yeah, we can do that.
What do you need to have that happen?
First of all, maybe no one knows who is Rakuten.
Yeah.
So that's why currently we are very focused on such a brand awareness right now. Who is Rakuten and what is our Rakuten service? So that's why if such client understand who is Rakuten as well as understand our service, maybe the client very comfortable our service. So then maybe we receiving more such a kind of potential client.
Okay. So if you follow football, and if you like Spanish football, you like Leo Messi, you know Barcelona, and you are sponsoring Barcelona.
Correct.
So if Barcelona wins, the clients get 2 times the number of points, right?
Yes.
How does that work? Explain that to me.
Of course, actually we are kind of Rakuten group wide. We are global sponsorship with FC Barcelona. FC Barcelona, we can say the logo is Rakuten.
Yeah.
But maybe no one knows this Rakuten is a collaborate kind of a relationship with our Rakuten business. So that's why once kind of FC Barcelona win the game, then actually we providing double point for such a, for example, we providing such a point program to the client. If client opens the account and then or kind of a trading or commission, pay commission, then commission basis, we normally put some number. But if the FC Barcelona wins the game, we provide double point.
So how does the points work? It gives you incentives for maybe paying lower brokerage commissions. What does the point system give subscribers?
Actually, if client receives such a Rakuten Super point, Rakuten point, you can easily to convert to Asia Big point and B Infinite point and bonus link point.
Okay.
So then you can enjoy, for example, Asia basis, you can buy air ticket, or being infinite basis, you can buy some Starbucks coffee or 7-Eleven, something like that. So you can enjoy such a thing. So then we are more kind of motivate our client to more trade.
Okay. So the commissions that the traders pay right now is quite competitive. I think it's 8 ringgit. Up to 100,000 ringgit, and then beyond that, it's a flat fee.
Yeah, actually, our commission table is very simple. From 7 ringgit to 100 ringgit. So 7 ringgit means you are trading value below 1,000 ringgit. So then our commission table is just 7 ringgit flat rate. And then you are trading value above 100,000 ringgit. Then we providing the commission is only 100 ringgit flat, which means you are trading value more than 1 million ringgit, 2 million ringgit, 10 million ringgit. Our commission level is 100 ringgit.
I see.
This is very competitive.
Okay. So, have you seen any migration of subscribers from, Jupiter or from Maybank or from CIMB, Hong Leong to your platform?
I can't say which broker coming from, but currently so many kind of active trader kind of doing some share transfer from other broker to Rakuten Trade, then selling kind of big lot, and then vice versa, buying another stock.
Yeah.
So that's why we can see such kind of in terms of a share transfer basis from outside Rakuten Trade, then come in. That is recently we are seeing such kind of trend.
I see. And what about for the future? What kind of products can we expect?
So far, we providing cash upfront basis, and then we expect to expand more such like a collateralized trading.
Collateralized trading.
Yes, collateralized and then margin. Actually, in Rakuten Tokyo, we are providing very comprehensive product and service, including stock, domestic stock, foreign stock, and domestic futures, and domestic overseas futures, and also mutual fund. We can do such kind of thing in Japan. So that's why maybe we can implement such kind of same concept here. Our regulator is a Security Commission. We have to talk with the SC. So then, based on the SC approval basis, we are thinking about more futures product.